Well, first of all, technology has changed considerably. In the beginning, you had a lot of systems that were based on what I would call wired systems, where you had an exterior scan pad and a meter inside the unit. You had to go up and actually touch the scan pad. Those are very old systems. They're still out there. There's still a lot of them out there. What began to take place in the really the early 2000s, late 90s and then early 2000s, is radio frequency systems started to come out where you could go in, you could put a meter inside of a unit where it was inaccessible, connect a transmitter to it, and it would begin to transmit meter readings outside of the unit. Obviously, that's gotten better over 20 years. Some of the earlier models were, they were less effective, but as time has gone by, that model's been perfected quite considerably.